Hey everybody, welcome to the How to Do Your STEM project video. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple things that will help you to keep your STEM project going these couple of flex days. Okay, firstly, you should have this sheet here. It might be green, like this one is. You might have it on paper or you might have it online. Secondly, the other thing you need is these fancy bits of graph paper that I have right here. And the third thing that you will need is you'll need this. Now this you don't need until Tuesday. So first I'm going to go over what you need to do on Monday, which is all about making some paper planes. Okay? On Friday with Zach, you should have measured your step so that you can figure out how far your paper plane flies, right? You want to measure your step in centimeters. We're going to be working with centimeters for all of this project. Alright, so as you can see, I put my name here, I put the distance of one step here. And the next thing is I need to figure out 3 different paper airplane styles. If you want to look up some paper airplane designs, you can do that right here. You can see there are all kinds. Some are easy, some are medium, some are hard. You choose, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to show you one paper airplane style that I usually make, okay? I'm going to go down here so you can see my paper. Make this a little bit bigger so you can hopefully see what's going on here, okay? So here we have, oh my, are you being weird? So here we have my paper, plain paper. I want to fold it like this so that the graph paper is on the inside. Fold it here, so you just kind of fold it in half the long way. And I'm going to fold this end. Now I want to use this end that has the header out because that minimizes the amount that I don't have these little graph paper bits on. Just want to fold it out again. As you can see, I'm folding this edge to this bottom edge. I'm kind of taking out in a triangle fashion. Do that a third time. Okay, I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to take this short edge down to that folded edge. Take this folded edge here, down there. There's all kinds of YouTube videos on how to make paper airplanes and stuff like that, so feel free to make whatever designs you want. But here we have my paper airplane here, so I've got it all folded, and I fold it flat. You can see there we have the top of the wings, where we have the part that you hold to make it fly, right? Okay, so back to the sheet. Okay, so here I have the style name. I'm going to call this Chris's Fast Plane. Designer notes, I'll say I went really fast, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to throw my paper airplane and figure out how far it goes. So I'm going to throw it from here and see where it lands, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, so I started right here. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. That's where it landed, so 3 steps. Okay. And since in my first trial, my plane went 3 steps, my distance is supposed to be in centimeters. How do I convert steps to centimeters? Well, I just open a new tab. Each one of my steps is 42 centimeters times 3 steps is 126. So the distance was 126. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and do a few more trials and enter the data here. Alright, so as you can see, I have entered all of my data, so I have my 3 different plane designs. I have thrown each plane 5 times and I've recorded the distance. And what I've done is I've made notes about all my planes, and then I said which plane flew the farthest and why. So that is all for day 1. All you have to do is fly your paper airplane, figure out how far it goes based on how many steps you step, and record that data here. I'll be back tomorrow with more information for you about what to do to finish up your Flex Week. Thank you. Hope you had